Wala.
Walang ilaw.
Wow!
Ilayin mo naman mo.
Ang?
Ilayin mo. Ba't di ka pumasok? Ayan.
Okay.
Hi vlog, so napunta tayo sa SEA Games, kakarating na natin sa Terminal 1.
Yun, no?
SEA Games Day.
Yun, no?
Oh,
Pero nangyayari mo yan, sir.
NCAA versus UAP.
July, oh. Di ba hinahanap mo?
Shoutout vlog. Wala pa tayong group.
After Serbia ko lang ito binili.
Bobo?
Yeah.
Should have bought that before Serbia.
Because I don't have money. Oh.
Ano?
Ano? Ano? Ano? Bulo? Happy?
Let's go. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Ayun.
Another day, another travel. Good morning ka muna. Good morning, good morning. Good morning.
Another day, another flight.
Yeah. Mayabang. Uy. Ayan. Thank you po. Sawadee ka. Grabe naman si Sa.
Wow, vlog. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
Hello.
Aljur TV.
Welcome to my guys.
Robin Royce.
Welcome to my guys.
Sawadee ka.
Itudo mo na yung tawa mo. Video ba yan? Okay lang matalo. Saya.
Hindi ganun, magpapatalo. Patalo.
Low moral pala to.
Low moral pala.
Hindi ko sabihin. Kahit matalo ka lang, masaya ako. Kasi nung magpatalo. Ano pa kayo? Gasa pa.
Hello.
Bawal pa mag-smiling. Ay, sabihin mo disrespect. Disrespect eh. Pinuwi ng disrespect eh. Everything you do, disrespect. Ikot. Human drone. Wait. Nahuli ako. Come here, baby. Patihan natin ang guys.
Hi, nice to
Yun, yobo.
sorry.
Ang pangin ng daliri ko. Nahihiyan ko. No brain dito, no brain lang.
You work smart.
No bro.
You want to...
Para ka seller sa divisoria. Kamukha mo yung nasa likod mo ah.
Sino sa likod ko?
Nasa likod mo.
Ako pa rin.
Kakain ng ligay niya dito, tapos ATM yung gagamitin.
May pagkain na dun sa ano eh. Pupuntahan natin. Oo. Hindi na nga ako kumain kanina eh. Sinasayo pa niya ako na, kumain ka na ba? Libre kita.
Naalala ko yung pagka kaya natin pupuntan tayo, Dubai ba? Philippines sa Dubai. 1 to lugmok siya.
Yok.
Sobrang pare-pareho. Mahirap hanap pa ng maleta eh. Oh, okay.
Bro, pare. Tite!
Ano masasabi mo sa mga babae dito, Mans?
Masasabi ko, I had the right to remain silent. Kasi nandun yung ano ko.
Asa, dude. Oh, asa, dude.
Article 3.
Article 3.
I invoke my right against self-incrimination.
Pabum bum bum pabum bum tabum. Sawadee ka. Ah, lang serious ha.
Hey, what's your room number again?
4415.
Okay, that's correct. Stop, you're bullying me. Why are you bullying me?
Ice tea.
Nice to yun.
So guys, first day training here in Thailand. Alright.
Wait,
What?
where's your shirt? Here's the shirt, okay. I thought that was John. Hey!
Tagalog ka na lang talaga eh, no? Tapos na training namin, PM training for today. Lamig.
First day.
Line up, Gilas.
Ayan.
Gilas? Abop, Tratter o si Tratter, Angel, BJ Train.
Line up nila.
Oo.
Kaya si Sinab na kanina, nandun. Nakita niyo si Sinab?
Yung malakas yung makipagsuntukan eh. Lagi yung ano eh, galit eh.
Sino?
Yung matangkad na center. Doon sa ano, nasabay natin sa
Hindi niyo nakita si Sinab?
sa airport.
Sabay ko.
Sa aeroplano?
airplane.
Dito yung warm-up pool nila. Tapos ito sa likod yung arena. Pwede tingnan coach yung ano, yung pool? Pwede tingnan yung pool? Hello.
Oh, recording.
Yeah.
Bro,
Hi.
Girlfriend in the Philippines?
You want?
Sino pupunta ng Philippines for charity?
Si ano?
Charity? Oh, yeah. Last time. Ilo.
Ay, yabot Filipino girl ka na?
No.
Your friend, right?
Man, basta training natin, Mads.
Ngayon na ako kanina. Nagpakasala ako ng pasa. Alam ko yung ginagawa ko, pero sinasa ko lang.
Nagrarant ka, ha? Nagrarant. Mindset na kayo rin?
Mindset. Hi guys. Sawadee ka.
Diyan tayo ka! Of course, why not? Yes.
What?
Good morning! Today we are going to go the breakfast.
Do. Your English is not good, ha? In the morning, ha? Tagalog ako, morning.
Hindi kaya ako.
Kain kami. Ano oras? 7. What time we would go down, Matt? Oh, serious ka? Oh, di mo may pintay mo ka.
Let's go.
December 14. I am training. First day, first game.
Game day, baby!
Game day, baby! Babawi kami against Malaysia. High moral muna kami kasi kagabi. Sermonan kami, ano, sir?
Ay, matutulog na lang. May pabaon pa.
What can you say about the speech yesterday, night?
Super high morale.
Super. Matulog. Tigidig-dig. 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 Okay, we will eat some mukbang. Taba fries.
Hindi nyo lang doon, Dem.
Wala ba yan?
Pass me the rock! Swing me the rock! Nuggets. I'll just take the bag, bro.
What?
What's that?
So, SEA Games is done, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in 2 years. Kaya muna tayong mango sticky rice.
Wala akong mahihirap doon.
Yeah, may paghirap ako. Guts.
From
Guts.
Matt to me, to Manto, to Andre, to you.
Ah.
Sige lang, sige.
Ano mo eh.
Sige na, anong kasalanan ko sa'yo?
Welcome to my vlog.
Kaya po sa...
Boracay.
Sa noo ko kaya po.
Saan yan? Galing Serbia?
Bakit horse balik? Mahilig sila sa...
Depressed. I even got a tattoo with your name across the chest. Sometimes I you'll ever lose. Sincerely yours, Stan. P.S. We
Drops on the window.
we could have been together. Think about it. You ruined it now, huh?
Only 7-Eleven, please. Sabihin mo lang. Hindi, una na lang kami kasi ganito yung goal. Sabihin mo, iba direction natin di.
Isasakyan natin. Yan yung train.
Oo, dito sa BTS. Ano sabi mo kanina?
Saan?
Saka bus?
Ha? Nauwi na tayong
Di
masarap
yan
buhay.
eh.
Ha? Ano sabi mo, sir?
Near gate lang. Sa may McDonald's on the other side.
Tapos na.
What is up, everyone?
What's up everyone? Nandito tayo ngayon kung nasaan pauwi na lahat ng athletes sa Thailand 2025 SEA Games. So nakikita mo iba-ibang sports ang meron dito. Sa paligsahan ng Thailand, grabe ang SEA Games dito. Ibang klase, iba-ibang sports, iba-ibang talento, iba-ibang lakas, loob. Palag.
Tagalog.
What is up, everyone? Magandang hapon sa lahat. Yun lang. Right now, we are currently at the airport. This is in Thailand.
One of the biggest participants in the Philippine Olympic Committee.
We are currently waiting for our flight, heading back to Manila tonight at 5 p.m.
We have 1,168 athletes coming from the Philippine Olympic Committee. But we had 200 plus golds from the Philippines.
And we're not one of them.
Wala mo nang them.
Soon, one of them.
Yeah, what do you wanna say? What do you wanna say?
Nothing.
King Beden, no? King Beden besides King Beden.
King Lion besides King Lion.
What's the word of the day? Word of the day.
The job is will not done. The job is will not done.
Who said that?
You need to memorize the day. The job is will not done.
Who said that?
Pegons Guns, also known as Poseidon. Pegons, ano?
Pigons gone.
Pegons Guns tapos Poseidon TV. Oh, nga. Poseidon ng Pegons Guns dito.
Here.
Yeah.
Are you enjoying your shopping? You don't deserve it.
No.
No.
You enjoying your shopping?
Dan.
At least you enjoy something.
You see money, right? 1, 2, 3.